look at the 4 corners after we decline the 4 points down to the bottom. If we find that there's wobbling on the platform, it means that there's something wrong with one of the 4 adjustable legs under the platform. It could be higher or shorter than other 3 legs. The platform wobbles because the 4 legs are not with the same height. Step 1. Loosen the nut with an adjustable wrench. Step 2. We need a felloe to lift the platform. Step 3. Rotate the leg clockwise if the leg is shorter than others, and rotate the leg counterclockwise if the leg is higher than others. Step 4. Lay down the platform after we rotate the adjustable leg properly. Step 5. Press the 4 corners again, finding that the platform isn't wobbling. Step 6. Fasten the nut by hand and wrench. Finally, I will give an analysis to this special case of 3D printer leveling. If the top left or bottom right leg is higher, then the top right and bottom left corner will wobble, because in this case, the top right and bottom left corner will be in the air. Similarly, if the bottom right and top left corner is wobbling, then the bottom left or top right leg is higher. We should adjust the leg according to the actual wobbling case.